I have a confession to make. My favorite tiki cocktail is the zombie. And I just got an apron. What's up, peoples? It turns out lots of cocktails, including the zombie, tease you with an important skill you're going to want to master if your cocktails are ever going to be awesome, tropical or not. To illustrate that point, I'll show you a subtle change that I make when building my zombies that bring this cocktail to a whole new level. If that sounds tasty to you, pull up a chair at the bar and let's go make a zombie. I'm referring to the 1950 zombie, which is one of many iterations by Don the Beachcomber on the zombie. This was my first actual run-in with a zombie. I obviously got infected or something because I like it. As I was gearing up for this episode, I reached out to Libby to see if they sell these beautiful zombie glasses in mixed sets, which they don't, but they sent over a set of each anyways. I need 4, not 8, so I'm gonna give away the extras. Stick around to the end of the episode and I'll tell you how you can win a pair. One of the things that makes this cocktail easy is that it's equal measures basically all the way down except for the last 2. So that's 1 ounce of passion fruit syrup, lemon, lime, unsweetened pineapple juice, gold Puerto Rican rum, 151 Demerara rum, and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar syrup, I'm using Demerara, and 1 dash of Ango. The keen among you will notice that I skipped the light rum, and I also said that this cocktail teases an important skill. It really does so in lack of specificity. What is meant by light rum? And that question raises the skill, which is balancing in selection. The both easy and hard part about this skill is how you master it. You taste everything, like everything, in your bar. You don't stop doing this. When you first start out, you might taste an ingredient every time you use it. Then that might change to every time you restock it. And you sub out this rum for that rum, or the gin and vermouths in your Negroni, and over time you start to develop what that taste looks like for you, and most importantly, your style or signature in your cocktail. For my money and the depth and complexity that it brings, the light rum in my zombie is Clement Blanc. Something that may not even have been available to Don Beach because that's not what they meant by Martinique rum in the 30s, but that just really adds more layers to this amazing cocktail. Okay, so you want to win a pair of these glasses. Subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below suggesting the tiki cocktail or advanced technique that you want to master. Whichever comment has the most likes, I will send a pair, 1 painted and 1 not, anywhere in the world that I can ship to. In the meantime, go watch this video to learn about molecular flavor pairing and how to use it to develop secret ingredients.